I welcome you all on behalf of the Governing Council, management, staff, and students of the University of Benin to this important workshop training on the application of knowledge of forensic and DNA tools in combating pandemic and enhancing crime scene investigation in Nigeria. It is a privilege and responsibility given to the Forensic and DNA Center of the university to develop the capacities of military officers, police officers, civilian, and all participants in all areas of specialization. I particularly appreciate our robust resource persons, Professor Imon Nori Ikede, Professor Peter Olayiwole, AIG retired, Dr. Wilson Akiwu, Center Director, Professor Ediage Ihekenome, for their time. It is truly time-consuming to prepare for this kind of workshop, which of course is one of its type. One major lesson that we have learned from COVID-19 pandemic is our ability to reinvent ourselves and adapt to new ways of life. Hence, this virtual training is indeed a true manifestation of such learning and innovation. The University of Benin is known for ideas and expanding such knowledge globally. There is no better time than now to brainstorm on the application of forensic and DNA tools in combating this monstrous pandemic and enlarging our capacity for crime scene investigation, especially now that we are faced daily with increased criminal activities, possibly compounded by the lockdown. I commend the organizers of this workshop for such an apt title and for a wonderful work that they have put together. I am reliably informed that we have over 300 participants registered for this virtual workshop. That is indeed very encouraging. I see this training as a high-level awareness creation to all participants, and therefore appeal that you take this training seriously through raising questions with our resource persons who are seasoned in their area of specialization. Please feel free to clarify any issues that seem unclear to you from them, so that at the end of the two-day workshop, you will have boldness to assert that you actually have been truly and robustly informed. On behalf of the Governing Council, management staff, and students of the University of Benin, you are heartily welcome, and I wish you a fruitful deliberation. Thank you, and God bless you.